Hey there, first grade. I dropped my ice cream and I don't know where to put it. Could you help me out? You would do that for me? Oh my gosh. You helped me so much because wait, what am I going? Whoa. Whoa. Oh no, I'm getting smaller. You're going to help me out here? That's really helpful because I dropped my ice cream and I don't know where to put it. Should I put my ice cream here? That looks good. All right, thank you so much for... Wait, you don't eat your ice cream off a die? Then it must go here. Ooh. Oh, that does look pretty snazzy. That looks delicious. You just helped me put that ice cream back. All right, enough about ice cream. We are going to be talking about 3D shapes today. I can't believe it. We are going to talk about 3D shapes today. Do you know what this shape is called? This shape is called a cone. And in real life, a die would be a cube. Very nice. Let's see what we can learn. Alrighty. Whoa, where to go? Alrighty. Identifying attributes of 3D objects. So an attribute is something that describes something. An attribute of me, I have blonde hair. But an attribute of shapes, and these are called defining attributes, that just means that that all shapes have this in common of the certain thing. Like all cubes are the same with this. All cones are the same with this. Okay? So, this is a cone, right? We just saw a cone. Cube. Cylinder. Sphere. Pyramid. And finally, rectangular prism. Whoa. Maybe we'll find a rectangular prism around here. Okay, time to go. All right, here are our words that we are going to use to define attributes of 3D shapes. Okay? Vertex or vertices, edges, surface, and apex. Do this with me. Apex. Apex. Ooh. Got my face. All right, a vertex or a vertices, those are going to be the corners of your shape. Let's see if I'm right. Yes! Vertices are the corners of the shape. So, corner, 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 corner. Yes, very nice. We are so good. All right, edges. Edges are two faces coming together. Wait, what? You keep your face over there. Ooh. A face, a flat edge, or a curve will help define what the surface looks like. If the surface is flat, it is called a face. All right, so let's review what we have. Vertex or vertices are the corners. And now I'm looking at the cube, and this is a face. I'm making an X over the face. That's a face because they are flat. Oh, I don't really know. Oh, there we go. All right, all cubes are going to have 6 faces. Okay? Very good. All right, now I need to take those away. Bye. Bye-bye. Okay, thank you. And finally, edges are going to be where two faces, right here, come together. That is an edge. Edge. And edges meet at the vertices. And then there's one term called an apex. One more time. Apex. There are two shapes that we are going to talk about that have an apex. And that is a cone and a pyramid. An apex is where all the surfaces come together and it makes a point. Yeah, it makes a point. Very nice. Let's keep going. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So find a cube in your house. All right? It can be a die. It can be a cubular box or a cuboid. It can be anything that is square but 3D. All right? Pause the video. Let's find out how many vertices, faces, edges, and if it has an apex or not. Go ahead. Alrighty, welcome back. I'm assuming you found your cube. That's very cool. How many vertices does your cube have? How many vertices does your cube have? Whoa, it has that many. I can't believe it. Well, let's count, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 up top. 5, 6, 7, and then there's one back there, 8. So pretend we can see through the cube and we can circle that one. So how many vertices? 8. How many faces does it have? I don't think I have any more faces. So I always think of a die. A die has how many sides? 6. Very good. Good counting. How many edges does it have? Let's get rid of this so we can count. And let's do a different color. How many edges does it have? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you see how I continued it on behind there? 8 edges. What? You're saying there's more? There absolutely are. 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, that looks like a silly shape, doesn't it? A cube has 12 edges. And finally, let's look at apex. Does a cube have an apex? Remember, that's where all the faces meet. And I'm thinking no, because this top face doesn't meet the bottom face. So they never meet each other. Oh, that's a shame. So there is not an apex. Oops. There is not an apex. No, no, no. Alrighty. Ooh. Ooh, what shape is this? This is a rectangular prism. This is a rectangular prism. A lot of boxes are rectangular prisms. Ready? Go find a box. Pause it and don't watch me run away. Oh, man. I couldn't find one. I wish I could find a rectangular prism. Oh, it's... Whoa! Whoa! This is a rectangular prism. Oh, let me put that in there for you. This is a rectangular prism. Do you see how it has rectangles on each side? Look at that face. Oh, look at that face. Isn't that a cute face? Okay. Let's count together. How many faces does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh. That's strange. Just like a cube. It has 6 faces. Let's change that color up. What about vertices? What about the vertices? 1 vertice, 1 vertex, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, let's put that down. 8. So it has 8 vertices, just like a cube. Interesting. 8 vertices, and how many edges? 1 edge, 2 edges, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? It has 12. It has 12 edges, just like a cube? No way. We have to do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, let's do 8. And then 9, 10, 11, 12. It does. It does have 12 edges. That is banana sandwiches. 12. And does it have an apex? Same as the cube. Nope. No, sir. Whoa. What is this shape? This shape is called, say it with me, rectangular prism. No, that's not a rectangular prism. Why would you say that? This is called a cylinder. See, even adults make mistakes sometimes. It's not a big deal. This is called a cylinder. I wish I had a cylinder on me right now. That would be really helpful. Well, let me just take a drink really quick. Oh. Well, this is a cylinder. Look at that. It has a flat face, another flat face, and curved edges to surround it. That's a cylinder. A lot of bottles and stuff that you hold liquids in are going to be cylinders. So let's look at this. Do you see any corners? No, because the surface is round. The surface is round, so I don't see any vertices. So that's a big old 0. Oh man, that's sad. How many faces does it have? We saw 1 and 2. So all cylinders are going to have 2 faces. That's cool. Cool, cool. Edges? Nope. No edges. Because an edge comes with vertices. 0 edges. And in Apex, it doesn't even have a vertex. So no. Right? Doesn't even have one corner. So no, it could not have an apex. Whoa. Whoa. A sphere? A sphere? A real life sphere? I can't believe it. How do we spell sphere? S-P-H-E-R-E. There's nothing to sphere except sphere itself. Your parents will get that one. I wish I had a sphere around here. Hold on 1 second. I'll be right back. Huh. I wish I had one. Oh! Oh no! I do have one! Whoa, I'm all blurry. I do have a sphere. Don't fear. Yeah, I can catch it. Oh. A sphere. It's going to have no vertices, no edges, no faces. 0, just like the shape it is. Oh. Actually, it's probably okay, because it's a beach ball. Yay! Well, it's just one shape, and it's all one big curve. So the surface is curved. Okay. Ooh, the next one was our delicious ice cream. You know what? That's a good idea. I'm just going to bring this right here. You know what I mean? And I'm going to make it yummy. Okay, so go find a cone in your house. Maybe it is an actual ice cream cone. And grab it. Well, don't grab it too hard because it might break. Okay. How many vertices does it have? Did you say 1? Did you say 1 because of this right here? Well, guess what? If it only has 1, like a cone, then that is not a vertex. That is actually an apex. So a cone does not have a vertex or vertices. It has an apex. Okay? Edges, it has 0 because this part right here is curved, and it doesn't have 2 vertices meeting each other. And faces, it does have 1 where I put the ice cream. I put the ice cream on its face, which doesn't sound too bad, actually. I might be into that. All right. That's it. I'm going to add this 1 here. 1, 1, 1. There we go. And finally, our very last 3D shape. Ooh. Apex. Apex. Pyramid. Dun 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 dun. How do we spell pyramid? P-Y-R-A-M-I-D. Pyramid. Oh my goodness, Mr. Frost. Pyramid. Okay, how many vertices does it have? It depends on how many faces it has. So it looks like this is a 3-sided pyramid. Do you see that? Oop. Do you see that? 1 face, 2 faces, and then 1 back here. Okay? So 3 faces, So, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 back here. 4, it would have 4, boop, 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 4 vertices, 3 faces. How many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4 edges. And finally, the king of everything, the apex, right here. Apex, yes. Wonderful. Okay, I do have some jobs for you. Are you ready? Number 1. Find 2 cubes in your house. Oh, that should be easy. You already found 1. 2. Find a cube and a sphere. And describe why they are different. Think about their surfaces. Do they have vertices? What makes them different? And 3. Describe how a pyramid and a cone are both alike and different. What about them is the same and what about them is different? Because they do have similarities and differences. All right, first grade, you, as always, were wonderful. Thank you for watching another episode of Learning with Mr. Frost. We'll see you next week. Bye.